लिखो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिवर्सिबिलिटी. Clear? Important concept this one. What is principle of reversibility? Write down. First write down. Then we'll discuss about this. What is this? Principle of reversibility. Write down. According to this principle, according to this principle, according to this principle, whenever a refracted ray, whenever a refracted ray is striking perpendicular to a mirror, striking perpendicular to a mirror, then it retraces its path. Perpendicular to a mirror, then it retraces its path. Then it retraces its path. Then it retraces its path. Retraces its path. Clear? What do you mean by this? This is first medium and this is what second medium. One is optically rarer medium and second is optically denser medium. When you will say optically rarer medium, tell me. When you will say medium is optically rarer, when the speed of light is larger, the medium in which the speed of light is larger, that is known as optically rarer medium. The medium in which the speed of light is slower, that is known as optically denser medium. अरे समझ में आ रहा है? तो एक लाइट क्या कर रहा है? लाइट इज ट्रेवलिंग फ्रॉम ऑप्टिकली रेयरर मीडियम टू डेंसर मीडियम. तो इट विल बेंड व्हाट? टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल. It is bending towards the normal. Clear? This is what the bending occurs, and this is what the normal here. I can say this is what the normal here. Normal is like this. एक minute. Normal is what? Normal is like this. This is what the normal. Normal means what? Perpendicular here. This is what the normal. And I am going to get here. This is what angle of incidence I, and this is what angle of refraction R. Clear? लिखो, diagram draw करो. And this is what? Refracted ray. When it is strike perpendicular to a mirror, when this refracted light is what? Strike perpendicular to a mirror, when it is mirror is here and it is strike perpendicular to this, then it retraces its path. मतलब ये ऐसे जा रहा है. After striking the mirror, it again reverses its path. ये पाथ को रिवर्स कर रहा है. क्यों? अरे यहीं पे एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कितना है बोलो? अरे रिफ्रैक्टेड रे में जब मिरर के साथ ऐसे मिरर में फॉल कर रहा है, तो व्हाट इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस? श्वेता बोलो, व्हाट इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हियर? हेलो, अरे यहीं पे एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कितना है? अरे ऐसे जा रहा है. व्हाट इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हियर? हेलो, अरे कितना है यहीं पे? एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कितना है अंकित? व्हाट इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हियर?
Sir, 90 degree.
Are you sure 90?
So 90 degree.
Are you sure 90? What is the angle of incidence here?
Sir, 0 degree.
कितना?
Sir, 0.
0 degree. अरे एंगल इज ऑलवेज मेजर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू नॉर्मल. ये इटसेल्फ नॉर्मल है ना?
सर 45.
अरे 45 कैसे हो गया? अरे नींद टूटा नहीं अभी तक. अरे ये मिरर में ये 90 में स्ट्राइक कर रहा है. अरे मिरर को ये 90 डिग्री में स्ट्राइक कर रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है? तो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कितना है मिरर के लिए? अरे मिरर के लिए ये रे का एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कितना है स्पंदन?
90 degree.
90 डिग्री. आर यू श्योर? अरे
This is yellow mirror 90 degree.
this is the mirror and the ray is the refracted ray is striking perpendicular to the mirror. My question is, what is the angle of incidence for this refracted ray? What is the angle of incidence for this refracted ray? Mona Lisa, tell me. Hello, what is the angle of incidence for this? Hello,
Sir,
Monali,
it's normal. No?
normal means how much is the angle of incidence? Array, this is the normal.
So,
The angle of incidence is what?
Sir, 0 degree.
0 degree. Always angles are measured with respect to normal. Array, angles are always measured with respect to normal. When light is striking along normal, its angle of incidence is 0. I is equal 0. Therefore, angle of refraction also 0. Means light again moves back. Is it clear or not? This is the mirror. Always you see that I am just giving the arrow mark like this. This is what the normal here. So angle is always measured with respect to normal. That may be reflection or that may be refraction. Anything, the angle of incidence and refraction or emergent angle must be measured with respect to normal. So here angle of incidence is 0. So angle of reflection also 0. Therefore light moves back to the सेम मीडियम along the same path. अरे जिस पाथ में आया था उसी पाथ में चला जाएगा. ये पाथ में आया था तो ये पे एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस 0 है, तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन आल्सो 0 एंड इट रिट्रेसेस इट्स पाथ. इज इट क्लियर? अरे समझ में आ रहा है श्वेता? अरे श्वेता नहीं टूटा? श्वेता?
जी सर.
हाँ, अरे क्या है, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज 0 तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन मस्ट बी 0. इस हमेशा नॉर्मल 90 डिग्री नहीं है, 0 है ये. वाह, लिखो, ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. इंपॉर्टेंट है, ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. दिस इज व्हाट द नॉर्मल. इंपॉर्टेंट, ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है, प्रॉब्लम में अप्लाई करोगे. काफी प्रॉब्लम है इसी के अंदर जो एग्जाम में गिरता है, इसलिए ध्यान से जरा सुनो इसको. If you have drawn the diagram, say yes. लिखो, let 1 is rarer medium. Write down, let 1 is rarer medium. Let 1 is rarer medium and 2 is denser medium. 1 is rarer medium and 2 is denser medium. When light is traveling from medium 1 to 2.
Sir, voice break.
Yes. Now write down, when light is traveling from medium 1 to 2, applying Snell's law, what is that? Mu 1 to 2 means 2 with respect to 1 is equal sin I divided by sin R. Sin I divided by sin R. So mu 1 to 2 means 2 with respect to 1 is equal to sin I by sin R. Have you written this? Completed? Completed? Mu?
Yes sir.
2 with respect to 1 means light is traveling from 1 to 2 is sin I by sin R. Similarly, when light is traveling from medium 2 to 1, applying Snell's law. Similarly, when light is traveling from 2 to 1, applying Snell's law, how to write? Mu 1 with respect to 2. For this 2 to 1, angle of incidence is what? R. Angle of refraction is I. Do you follow this or not? Ye angle of incidence and this is what angle of refraction. So sin I by sin R. I is what? R here. And R is what? I. Angle of incidence is R. Angle of refraction is I. Now if you multiply this, what you're going to get? Now multiply this two. If you multiply mu 1 2 into mu 2 1 is equal sin I divided by sin R into sin R divided by sin I. So this getting cancels out and you're going to get here mu 1 2 into mu 2 1 is equal 1. Again important. This is what mu 2 1 1 with respect to 2 is 1 by mu क्या है 2 with respect to what
2 with respect to 1.
1 reciprocal है clear reciprocal है so this is known as principle of reversibility you see principle of reversibility reverses its path therefore it is known as reversibility when the refracted ray look here again I am telling लिखो पहले लिखो उसके बाद एक्सप्लेन फिर से करूंगा लिख दिया तो यस बोलो अरे लिख दिया ना
Yes, sir.
now what is principle of reversibility देखो whenever a refracted ray this is the refracted ray strikes perpendicular to a mirror it retraces its path when it retraces its path the refractive index are what the product of the refractive index of the two media is always 1 the product of refractive indexes of the two media is always 1 this is what assertion reasoning question you will get when it reverses its path the refractive indices of the two media product of refractive indices of the two media is always 1 very important powerful line for assertion reasoning question clear understood this now the same thing we can apply in glass slab practical में है ये glass slab लिखो but theory में है नहीं but important पढ़ेंगे इसको entrance में है लिखो refraction through a glass slab write down refraction through a glass slab refraction through a glass slab important concept you see I am taking a glass slab here the thickness of the glass slab is t this is a glass slab whose refractive index is mu g or mu this is what a glass slab whose thickness is t t is the thickness of the glass slab clear when a ray of light is traveling what will happen there you see this is what the incident ray here this is what incident ray striking here now if the glass slab is not there the ray will travel in a straight path but the glass is there therefore it will bend to